Join me as I take on the challenge of igniting my core strength with this 5-minute abs blast. Can I survive the burn? Having strong core muscles is essential for overall fitness. It's the foundation of a healthy body, providing stability, balance, and power to tackle any physical activity. And that's exactly what we're going to focus on today, building a stronger core with a quick and effective abs workout that you can fit into even the busiest of schedules. I know, finding time to work out can be tough, especially when life gets in the way. We've all been there, stuck in a rut, wondering how we can squeeze in a gym session amidst work, family, and social commitments. But the thing is, you don't need an hour at the gym to get a good workout. Sometimes, all it takes is just 5 minutes of focused intensity to get those endorphins pumping and your core burning. I'm willing to bet that many of you have been in situations where you're short on time, but still want to fit in a good core workout. Am I right? Maybe you're on lunch break at work, or perhaps you're a busy parent trying to squeeze in a quick workout during nap time. Whatever the case, I've got you covered with this 5-minute abs blast that's designed to be quick, effective, and adaptable to your schedule. So, are you ready to get started and ignite your core strength? Let's dive right into the workout. First up, we have bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head, alternate bringing your knees towards your chest, and focus on squeezing those abs with each rep. Next, we're moving on to Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, lean back slightly, and twist your torso from side to side, targeting those obliques. Then, we're going to hit some plank jacks. Start in a pump position, jump your feet between each rep, and keep your core engaged to maintain a straight line from head to heels. As we move into the most intense part of the workout, I want you to remember to breathe, focus, and push through the burn. We're going to do a set of mountain climbers, followed by some leg raises, and finishing off with a plank hold. These exercises are designed to target your entire core, from your abs to your obliques, and even your lower back. So don't be afraid to feel the burn. It's a sign that you're doing something right. We did it. We survived the 5-minute abs blast. Take a deep breath, wipe that sweat off your brow, and pat yourself on the back for taking the first step towards building a stronger core. Remember, consistency is key, so try to fit in this workout at least 2 to 3 times a week, and watch your core strength ignite over time. Thanks for joining me on this fitness challenge. If you have a favorite ab exercise that you'd like to share, drop it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more workout inspiration,